I'm just letting you guys know that this is the second time I'm filming this video because such is my life, and also I will be cutting my hair soon, so please excuse me for that. Hey guys. So today I'm letting you know some really cool facts while I beat my face with a sponge, so let's get on with the video. In the dense forests of Finland, there is a giant rock called the Kumakavi. It is a 7-meter long boulder that balances itself perfectly on a smooth curved mound. The name translates to strange rock because nobody knows how it got there. The singer Dolly Parton once anonymously entered a Dolly Parton look-alike contest and lost to a drag queen. The scent that lingers after rainfall is called petrichor. The holes in Lego pieces and parts are deliberately added in case a child swallows it. It allows air to pass through it and prevent choking. There is an artist named Brian Lair who has the unique ability to draw and paint in negatives. In 2009, Wikipedia banned the Church of Scientology from making any changes to articles. The rapper Dr. Dre made 10 times more money from his collaboration with Beats than he ever did making music. 90% of all the spices in the world are exported from one and only one country, India. The tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, is so tall that you can see 2 sunsets from it in one day, one from the ground level and another one from the very top. The popular acronym OMG was actually first used in the year 1917 in a letter addressed to Winston Churchill. There is a fire alarm for deaf people. Japanese scientists and engineers have invented this life-saving device that works by spraying vaporized wasabi into the air, which alerts deaf people of a fire even when they're asleep. The shells of armadillos are so hard that they can ricochet a bullet, which is not something a tortoise shell can usually do. After a point in life, every body part stops growing in size except your nose and ears. They never stop growing. We've all heard of dog or cat cafes, but in Tokyo, Japan, you also have a hedgehog cafe where you pay 1,000 yen to go in, buy yourself a cup of cappuccino, and cuddle with hedgehogs. In the 18th century, King George I declared pigeon poop to be the property of the crown, as it could be used to make gunpowder. In China, you're legally allowed to marry the dead in case your fiancé passes away before the ceremony. They're also called ghost marriages. The Museum of Bad Art, located in Somerville, Massachusetts, houses paintings and sculptures that are so badly made and non-conforming to conventional aesthetics that they just cannot be ignored. You can actually die of a broken heart. A syndrome occurs called the broken heart syndrome, which can be the result of a physical injury, the loss of a loved one, or any traumatic event. This can result in a surge of stress hormones which can cause short-term muscle failure. It is treatable but can be fatal. If you were to write out every number, example 1, 2, 3, etc., you wouldn't need to use the letter B until you reach 1 billion. A moment can actually be quantified. In medieval Europe, a moment was used to describe exactly 90 seconds. You can tell how a statue figure died from the way the horse statue is constructed. If the horse has one leg up, that means the person died from a wound received in the battle, and if the horse has both the legs up, that means the person died on the battlefield itself. The pH scale was actually invented by the Carlsberg Brewery. While researching the best proteins, enzymes, and amino acids in the Carlsberg Brewery laboratory, a scientist named Soren Sorensen came up with the pH scale in the year 1909. There is a gargoyle with Darth Vader's head on it on the Washington Cathedral. NASA's internet speed is 91 GB per second, which means you can download a high-quality 1080p movie in the blink of an eye. In Japan, people follow a peculiar superstition where you tuck both your thumbs into your pocket while passing a graveyard. This is because your thumbs are supposed to represent your father, and by doing this, you're shielding him from an untimely death. In Spanish, the word sombrero translates to hat. It describes all hats and not just one particular type, and it is derived from the word sombra, which means shade. It is a myth that camels store water in their humps because they're actually used to store fat. Alfred Hitchcock's famous 1960 horror flick Psycho was the first film to ever show a toilet flushing. Injuries caused by vending machines end up killing 4 times as many people as sharks kill per year. Steve Jobs' last words were, "Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow." Frederick Bauer, who invented the Pringles can, had his ashes stored and buried in one after his passing in the year 2008. The average 4-year-old child asks about 400 questions a day. More than 2,500 left-handed people are killed every year from using equipment that are designed for right-handed people. The Han Sang Duong is a 3 million year old cave that is located in the Quang Binh province of Vietnam. It is the world's largest natural cave that has its own lakes, forests, clouds, and even animals. It basically has its own atmosphere. We all know that the skin is the largest organ in the body. In fact, it is so large that if it were to be sewn from end to end, it would circle the earth twice. You have a 1 in 200 chance of being related to Genghis Khan. Robert Downey Jr. says he is grateful to Burger King for helping him overcome his drug addiction. He once stopped at a Burger King outlet to grab takeout while traveling with a trunk full of weed. He said the burger he had ordered was so bad that he ended up dumping all of his weed into the ocean and never looked back. More people in the world suffer from obesity than from hunger. The real name of the Cookie Monster from Sesame Street is Sid. Nutella was invented in World War II when an Italian pastry maker mixed hazelnuts into chocolate to extend his chocolate ration. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. Prairie dogs say hello with kisses. You replace every single particle in your body every 7 years, which means you're literally not the person you were 7 years ago. The probability of you drinking a glass of water that contains a molecule that also passed through a dinosaur and was once drunk by Cleopatra herself is 100%. It rains diamonds in Jupiter and Saturn. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did something extra, with glitter. Since I'm filming the second time, I went all out. So I deserve a like and subscribe just for that. And if you watched this far, comment, oh wow. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.